Okay, so we're starting with 71 miles per hour. So 71 miles per 1 hour. So that's what that means, right? If you're driving your car 71 miles per hour, that means you're covering 71 miles every 1 hour. If you hold steady at that speed, 71 miles per hour, that means you'll cover 71 miles in 1 hour, right? When it says per hour, we understand it means per 1 hour, right? Per every hour. Okay, and what do we want in the end on this one? We want meters per second. We're wondering if you're covering 71 miles every hour, well, how many meters are you covering every second? So let's see if we can figure that out. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to put miles down below because it's all about cross canceling the words, the units. So put miles down below like that. Okay, and then we're going to say, okay, so from there, what do we do? Well, miles are down there. So what we can go to, what do they want on the top? Meters. So I'll put meters on the top. Now, because that's what we want in the end is meters on the top. What's the connection between meters and miles? Well, that's on your note sheet. So here's the note again from the exam one notes, top of the unit one module, meters and miles right here. There it is. 1 mile is 1609.34 meters. So I'll put that in up here. So 1 mile is 1609.34 meters. Easily found on the internet. I just went ahead and made up a convenient sheet for you, but I'm sure you could have found that on your own. Okay, and let's keep going. Next. Okay, so let's take stock of where we're at. Miles are gone. What are we left with? Meters on the top, which is great. That's what we want. We're happy about that. Hours on the bottom, though, and that we're not happy about. We don't want hours on the bottom. We want seconds. So I need to get rid of these hours. So if hours are on the bottom and I need to cross cancel them, then you put hours on the top and these cross cancel, don't they? See that? So, and then what are you going to go to? Now you could go straight to seconds. We need seconds. If you know 1 hour is 3,600 seconds, which comes from 60 times 60, because there's 60 minutes in every hour and 60 seconds in every minute, that's okay. You can do that. That's great if you know that. I'd rather just do what's easy off the top of my head. I know minutes. 1 hour is 60 minutes. I know that without even thinking hard. And then I can just do one more fraction and put minutes on the top, cross cancel minutes, and go to seconds. Again, that's easy. 1 minute is 60 seconds. I know that off the top of my head without thinking hard. And that's it. I've arrived. How do I know? Well, miles are gone. Hours are gone. Minutes are gone. What are we left with? Meters on the top. Perfect. Seconds on the bottom. Perfect. Meters per second. We've done it. We've arrived. So the units, we lined up the units so that everything cross cancels that we don't want. And we're only left with the two things we do want. Meters on the top, seconds on the bottom. And once you do that, it'll naturally tell you what to do with your numbers. That is, numbers in the top multiply. So 71 multiply 1609.34. And numbers in the bottom divide. So divide by 60, divide by 60. And that should do it. See, those two 60s are in the bottom. Numbers in the bottom divide. Numbers in the top multiply. And I'm getting, I get the answer 31.739. They want us to round, so I'll cut it here, round to two places. 31.74 meters per second. So we changed from miles per hour to meters per second.